Alright guys, so this is another episode of Trade Based Speed. We're bringing you three stocks that we'll be watching this week. Guys, NVD is at 135.24. It's closed on pre-market at 120, aftermarket at 135.25. The stock will be going to 136 level, breaking above. We could see 137 level, probably even a 140 level, guys. So the level here will be to go and break the 136 level and see 140 level, guys, for NVDA. Rejecting it, we could see NVDA go back all the way to that 133, and probably we could see 130 level, guys. So those are the level for NVDA. Next stock that we talk about is Apple, guys. For those who subscribe and like our channel, we do talk about Apple every morning, and we give you a level for the week, our prediction, and even level for the day, guys. So those looking to trade Apple daily, we do have some trade for Apple on daily basis. All right, so Apple is all the way I've already breaking that 240 level. We are at 240.54 level, guys. Apple went all the way to 246 level, up to that 244. Breaking Apple could see a 246. Now we close on aftermarket. We did close at 255.35. So Apple could see the 256.42 level and then break all the way to that 48 level. This is what we have for Apple, and then probably reject all the way to that 254, guys. If you go bearish, 252 level, and probably see the 251 level, guys. So those are the level. For more predictions, subscribe to our channel, like, comment to this channel, especially for those following us and one more on Apple, guys. Pre-market level. Next stock we have will be Tesla. Okay, guys, so Tesla step went bearish all the way to that 487 level, and now we are at 420. Alright, guys, so Tesla could be continue to be bearish and see a 410 level, 410 level, 409.61 level, or all the way to that 405 level for Tesla, guys. Now Tesla is pretty volatile, could go back up and break that 230 level, guys, and probably see the 247. Now if Tesla break that 247, probably can see that 246. But for bearish, if we keep being bearish, the next level here could be 410 on 405 level, guys, for Tesla. Okay, guys, so these are the three stocks that we are bringing you for this week. For more levels, subscribe to our, for more stock, subscribe to our channel, like, and until next time.